Okay, climb. We're doing 90. Climb for 90 knots. Power set. If still, we're going to maintain it full. Mixture is adjusted as it is. Instrument check.
Those are the instruments.
Yeah, airspeed looks good, attitude looks good. We're just a little bit off here.
It's going to be off because we're climbing.
Right, okay. And we're about...
It's only accurate when you're in straight and level. And the landing light off.
And landing light is off.
Good.
Falcon Tower, Alpha 242, holding short 22 left.
Next step.
Ready for departure.
What's that?
Next step. We're going into the training area.
So now we're going to get ready to go to change frequency to practice area.
Alpha 242.
Right. Okay, this might be this guy.
Practice area is, what's your frequency?
122.75. Everything north of 60 is 122.75. Everything south of 60, 122.85. And it's also air-to-air frequencies. Universal.
Okay.
Two of the three.
Tower Oxford 242, just like to confirm we're going to be in close traffic.
3.4.
Oxford 242, roger.
And for high altitude is going to be 2, 3, 4, 5.
Falcon Tower, Oxford 728, AJ arrival with information, Bravo, this is the student solo.
Oxford 728, Falcon Tower, enter left base, runway 22 left.
To base, runway 22 left, Oxford 728.
Oxford 1190, runway 22 left, clear touch and go, then left close traffic.
Why did it go to IFR? I want VFR.
2 Dallas, clear touch and go, left close traffic, Oxford 1190.
Have to click on aeronautical.
I wanted to see my airspace. I don't think this thing will climb fast enough to get into the Bravo.
If we slow down to 90 knots, I'll pitch up to 90 knots.
242 left close traffic.
There we go.
Left close traffic, Oxford 242.
So if we had an engine failure, how would you know if you can, and you select the landing site, how would you know that you can make it today?
How would I know? I would say that
there's a rule up to it.
It's about I'm going to say about, I don't know, what is that, 90?
2/3 up the strut.
Is it? Okay. I was going to say it's going to be around 2/3 of the strut, yeah.
Yeah. Well, if you have this guy, if you mess around with options, you can. There's a little circle. That's where you land. So you can make it. So see that little?
Oh yeah.
Turquoise circle. That's the circle you're gonna make. You have to put in the mess around and put the settings. And put in your glide distance and airspeed, etc., etc. The aircraft performance. You can get it from the.
I'm gonna hold at 4,000 right now. 35.
35. Yep. Once past that.
Yeah, we're getting 4,000's our limit right now.
So now we're over the Falcon Hills. We're outside of his airspace. We can switch frequencies, practice here, and make a self-announcement to where we're at.
So we can go ahead and leave tower now, right?
Yes. There's a little circle, and we are over the Falcon Hills at 3,500 heading northbound. Northeast practice area.
Yeah, northeast practice area, Cessna 21329 over Fountain Hills, 3,500 for heading north.
And you wanna end with the call sign of what area you're going to.
Oh, okay. Now. So we're going over to, what is it? The
street pattern.
Street pattern. That's what it was called.
Because 9 times out of 10. Yeah, whatever it is. Because 9 times out of 10, like pilots don't pay attention to the first half of the stuff you say. They just want to say, what was that? What area? So it's when making self-announcements, it's like northeast practice area, Cessna 21329 over the area we're at, and our intentions, where we're going to, and close the radio call for your what area you're calling to. Oh, there you go. See, minimize the head movement.
What's that?
Minimize your head movement.
I gotta look down because of my glasses.
Yeah,
Overlake Pleasant.
yeah, that's one thing.
Oh, you mean because you don't want to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how you get special, well, get into unusual attitudes. And
Okay.
you can see, like, look down at your iPad.
I know, you can feel that.
And we start drifting to the left. And we're outside of that Bravo
Yeah,
shell.
we are out of Bravo, so we'll go ahead and go up to 5.
Yeah. 5,500.
5,500.
We can do some unusual attitudes with goggles on and with just partial panel.
Okay.
And we make sure we pitch up. What is gonna be This video is going on the YouTube. We have to be perfect.
You're worried about the video?
Yes.
No one's going to see it but just you and I.
Okay. Still, I don't want to be embarrassed. Be like, oh, Victor was supposed to teach me that and tell me that. Or like he was supposed to mention, like, stay, like, you know, right rudder.
Yeah, right. I was looking at that just as you were like, and right rudder. I'm like, yeah. What are you talking about? It's fine. It looks great. You're getting a parallaxed view of the balls, what's happening.
Oh, okay. Parallax effect. Also, just a little bit of area. This is going to be, oh, this is embarrassing. The creek. Verdig, yes, Rio Verdig. This one. This one. That one, you see that one is a dried up one?
Yeah.
Sycamore Creek.
Okay.
This is Rio Verde, Sycamore Creek. Right below us, like on my left hand. Those are the orchards.
The pool grounds at 6,500 northeast.
So that's why usually people do ground reference maneuvers because it's easier.
3,500, 2 nautical miles south of substation. Head back to Deer Valley, last call.
And,
I didn't understand what you were pointing out. What were you pointing out? Practice areas. Ground reference points.
Ground reference maneuvers.
Okay.
That's where usually people do
Okay.
for the commercial stuff. Because it's easier, they have, because Atoll Highlands has 2 buildings that are spaced out very good. And if you like do everything right, and it works out just a real very good for reference points. Yeah, like those barns right there.
Okay.
This building, it works out just fine. But that's in the near future. Right now, we have to worry about private first.
And 4,500, 1,000 to go.
Yep. Let's check for the traffic. Status, check. Okay. Oh, this guy.
So I may have, if you are not going anywhere, I may have another student for you too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds good.
He's kind of been bugging me. He's like, dude, I got to do this too.
Oh.
But he may, I don't know, we're going to see. He's kind of a bigger guy. And he's like, I don't know, maybe I need a 182.
Oh, no, we'll be fine. This one can take about 2.5 adults. You said 2.5 men.
2.5 men.
182, yeah, 182 would, it would cost a lot more. If we fly like a 2 people, it'll be alright. Need a little longer runway.
Right.
Alright, so I'll get my...
Northwest back there, it's on 95, 73, 6,500 climb and 7,500 over the marina. Doing a simulated emergency descent. Northwest.
Where's it at? Oh, right there.
There we go. Get up here out of that layer, and now it's nice and smooth, hands-free. Oh yeah, let me get those on. You got the plane?
I have controls. I have the blank ones, but I don't know. I don't like them, like when it's tiny like that, because it still burns your eyes. Not much you can do about it. This one you just clip on your...
Lost practice area, I was on 95, next 7 and at 7th on doing a commercial maneuvers, emergency descent, lost passive air.
Northeast Prax area, Cessna 213-290 over the street pattern at 5,400 kilometers to 5,500, and we're maneuvering Northeast Prax area.
Northwest Prax area, Aerozone 108 is 5 miles northeast of Thunder Ridge, 4,500, simulated.
Just level off of 5,500.
Down to 3,500.
There's somebody plus 600 above us. Let's head up, heading 270.
270.
Yes. And so you should be pretty much warmed up with all these maneuvers, right?
I think so. Get a little higher.
I mean, with instruments.
GA20 overhead Roosevelt Lake. 9,000 feet, spin training, northeast.
Deep training, cool. And we're going to do this. Oh no.
Alright.
The way I just attitude indicator failed.
Lose my attitude indicator. Now I got to turn and bank.
So now you really have to pay attention to fly, huh? So your performance, primarily performance instruments are going to be your airspeed indicator, heading indicator,
Turn and bank,
and altimeter.
Okay.
So this guy will indicate if you're banking or not.
Oh.
This one is pitching up or down, and this one is just altitude. Also give you the side, just quick reference. So if you can go ahead and just try to, somebody 0.3 below us, like right there.
All right.
Oh, okay, I see him trapping inside. Okay, let's bank to the right just a little bit, and you can see. Turn heading 090 and descent 5,000.
Descend to
5,000.
5,000?
Yes. Reduce power. There we go.
Holy crap, this is crazy.
Yeah.
I like it though. What was the heading again?
090.
090.
We're just gonna travel back and forth, east and west. Remember the Unos?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, man. Let's do some of that too. And there we go. This should be like a reduce power to about 2,000. That's like that's, there we go. 300 feet to go.
Wow, I didn't realize how much that attitude indicator really meant a lot to me.
Yeah, now you're going to realize how much that heading indicator is going to mean a lot.
You're
to
an asshole.
Yeah.
Alright,
That's
so
what's going to happen. So this is just to simulate, like if you fly into IMC conditions, that's how it's going to be. Like assume, like, because I've flown into like a real IMC, and all you see is just your nose, your panel, and everything outside is like looking up, white. You don't see anything else. Then we can level off right here.
Yeah, we're headed back to Deer Valley, Arizona 577, just a little bit
really
south
there
of
is
going through the ground
reference.
climbing through 4,300, probably over to Glendale actually.
Practice. How about let's turn back to heading
108 heading to the North Proving Ground, ground reference maneuvers.
He's on the other side of town.
Okay, tell me heading.
270 and climb back up to 5,500. Also, don't forget when you're in instrument conditions or IMC, all your turns are standard rate turn.
Simulated emergency descent, so again, northwest.
For the Fetch Arizona 6248 is Bulls inbound on 7 right GPS, final call, northwest.
I don't know if I'll oh yeah, and
270, so that's
0 0920.
come on.
ACC, like we're kind of, it's not all the way at standard rate, so leave it the way it is, like right there.
Yeah.
And if you see we're not fully coordinated, right? So look what happens if we like get
Yeah, just almost steer with the rudder, huh?
Well, because the nose of the aircraft is not aligned. Is not
substation westbound for the south proving ground, northwest practice area.
South proving ground. He's like out on the other side of town.
Northwest practice area, Aerosun 111, just departed Deer Valley, 3 miles to the west, 4,000, climbing 4,500. We will be maneuvering.
Well, altitude we're supposed to level up.
Little height.
Heading plus or minus 10 degrees. Remember, when it's rolling out on easterly or westerly direction, you can roll out on the number. On the number.
Okay.
And when it's northerly or south, who knows? Undershoot, no.
Undershoot, overshoot south.
Yes. Also, how much you overshoot or undershoot, it depends on your latitude where you're on. But it doesn't. It's not that much. It's about plus or minus 5 degrees. It's not going to be like whole compass scale. So usually it goes like 10, 20, 30 degrees, and this one is going to be 15, 10, 5. So this one goes in increments of 10. This one goes about increments of 5. Generally, roughly. So you can see, like, let's try it out. Let's turn onto heading 210.
Heading 210.
Yes. Maintain this altitude. Standard rate turn right now. So it's overshoot.
Oh, 200. Oh, you're
about 10 degrees. Overshoot by about 10.
Keep going then.
Yeah.
About 10?
Yeah. It was close enough. Right. How about heading 150?
150.
Yeah. So you see, like, this one overshoot by about 10 degrees. So we're pitching down. Remember, standard rate. 150. Overshoot by about 10 degrees.
Okay.
Keep going. Right, I'll roll off.
Northwest back to Aerosun 9573 is 4,500, descending to 4,000 over the marina, setting up for the 7 right.
Yeah, it works.
GPS into 0.